giver. For the shit they say about me, they don't know me. They wouldn't play if they knew 80 niggas would take these charges for me. Hard to tell me when you knew where I came from. Here, whole hip hop dog it for me. Hard to send me on into that bullshit if for real, guarantee God to tell me. Started selling, yeah, in the 6th grade. If you ain't bet your heart to tell me. Started belling when they see me in the crew, ex-con, cold hearted feeling. Target melons, that what we did in that day. They spray, you started yelling, started telling, but on IG you hard as hellin'. I'ma tell you something serious, nigga. Coming here trying to boost a career, ain't commandeer. I'ma commandeer the situation, treat him like a honey deer in the